Tolerance is respect, acceptance and appreciation of a rich variety of world's culture, our form of expression and way of being human. With this, I am Ritika standing in front of you for a topic, and my topic is on World Tolerance Day. In 1996, the US General Assembly adopted a resolution 51/95 proclaiming as a International Day of Tolerance. This action followed the action of Declaration of Principle on Tolerance on 16 November 1995. Among other things, the declaration affirmed that the tolerance is neither indulgence nor indifference. It is a respect and appreciation of a rich variety of our world's culture and expression and way of being human. Tolerance tells us about the human rights and the fundamental freedom for others. Thank you.